Welcome to another Indeo Design Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the Ultimate Social Media Manager, an all-in-one system that expands on the Planner Pro with a brand kit, task tracker, advanced feed preview, filterable Gantt chart, filterable content calendar, and performance metrics dashboard to plan, manage, and optimize every aspect of your social media strategy. Please note that I'm always updating my templates to improve and optimize them, so this video may not reflect the most recent changes. Be sure to check the Instructions tab for the latest features, updates, and guidance. If you don't have the tracker yet, it's available in my Etsy shop. There's also a link in the description below. All right, let's get started. There are 15 tabs in this spreadsheet, 14 that are viewable and one that is hidden and that contains backend data needed to power the spreadsheet. The Instructions tab is the first tab, and it provides you with step-by-step guidelines, so take a moment to review this information before you begin using the spreadsheet. At the top are key guidelines covering compatibility, protected tabs, and formulas, and where to find answers to the most common questions. The tutorial section gives you access to this video, as well as a link to a fully filled out sheet for reference. The rest of the instructions walks you through how to use each tab, so remember to read through everything here before beginning. The Setup tab is where you customize your entire planner so everything here works exactly the way you need it to. First, enter your content pillars. These are the main themes that your content will revolve around. Everything in your planner will reference these. Next, define your content formats. This tells the planner what types of posts you create, and these will become drop-down options later. Then choose your goals. These are the metrics you care about most and will be used throughout your planner and performance tracking. Now move to platforms. Simply choose a platform from the drop-down, and the images will automatically populate. Next, define your post statuses. This is your content workflow. Type in a label here, and choose an icon from the drop-down options. Important note here, the published status should remain as your final stage, even if you rename it, so the planner functions correctly. Then set your task statuses. This is similar, but for tasks instead of posts. And again, you'll type in your label and then choose an icon. Keep the meaning of complete intact for accurate tracking. After that, assign your priority levels to help you focus on what matters most. Next, list your assignees. This is especially helpful if you're working with a team, but you can also use it to assign tasks to yourself across different roles. Finally, add holidays or key dates. These can be used as inspiration for content and will appear in your calendar to help with scheduling. Once this tab is complete, everything else in your planner, from drop-downs to filters, will be fully customized and ready to use. The Strategy tab helps you map out your full social media strategy so your content is intentional and aligned with your goals. Start at the top and work down each section. In objective setting, define your main goals and make them specific and measurable. In audience research, describe your target audience, their challenges, and where they spend time online. In competitor analysis, list competitors, review their content, and identify gaps you can take advantage of. In content pillars and themes, outline your key topics, content types, and overall messaging style. In platform strategy, set goals and posting strategies for each platform, including frequency. In content creation guidelines, define your brand voice, visuals, hashtags, and calls to action. There are many other sections to consider, but you'll want to complete this tab once and use it as your reference for all future content decisions. The Platform Guidelines tab gives you quick reference guidelines for creating optimized posts on each social media platform. Use this table as a reference while creating content to make sure every post is optimized for that platform. The Brand Kit tab helps you define and organize your brand so your content stays visually and strategically consistent. Start with your brand story. Into your mission, core values, personality, vision, and target audience. Next, add your logo by inserting an image into the cell and include a short description of how it should be used. This little triangle in the top right contains a note with instructions for how to populate this section. For instance, this one shows you the different ways you can insert an image into a cell. Next, build your color palette. Add your main and accent colors to keep your visuals consistent. You can get your hex code by clicking on the color, going up to the paint bucket, choosing the plus icon, and then copying the hex code and pasting it here. There is also an attached note here that has the instructions for reference. In the Profile section, upload a profile image and add your tagline. Define your typography by selecting fonts for headlines, body text, and accents. Finally, use the vision board to collect inspiration that reflects your brand's look and feel. Use this tab as your reference to keep all content aligned with your brand. The Content Ideas Bank is your brainstorming hub where you organize and store content ideas by pillar. Your pillars automatically pull in from the Setup tab and organize your ideas into categories. Start by adding ideas under each pillar to help clarify what the pillar means to you. Use each column to brainstorm specific post ideas related to that theme. Keep entries short and actionable so they're easy to turn into posts later. Use this tab regularly to capture ideas as they come to you. Then, when planning content, pull ideas from here into your scheduler. This keeps your content organized and ensures you never run out of ideas. The Hashtags Manager tab helps you organize, group, and quickly select hashtags for your posts. Start by naming each group. These can be based on topics, niches, or content types. Add your hashtags under each group and optionally label their size. Use the checkboxes to select the hashtags you want to use for a post. As you select them, they will automatically populate at the top in one combined list. Copy the full hashtag set by right-clicking into the cell and choosing Copy. Then going back into the scheduler, double-click into a cell and choose Paste. The Scheduler tab is where you plan, write, and manage all of your social media posts in one place. Start by entering your post date and time for each piece of content. Select your pillar, your format, your goal, and then type in an idea for your post. Then add your hook, your caption, your CTA, and paste in your hashtags. The Copy-Paste column automatically populates with your complete post copy. Upload your image and a link to audio if applicable. Choose your platforms, and you're able to choose more than one in this drop-down list. And then update your status as you move through the process. Use the charts at the top to monitor your content mix, your posting frequency, and your overall progress. The Task Tracker tab helps you manage and track all tasks related to your social media workflow. Start by entering your task name and description. Assign each task to a team member if applicable. Set the priority level to focus on what matters most. Add your start and end dates, and days left will automatically populate. If you're past your end date, the day here or the number here will show in red. Update the status as tasks progress to keep everything current, and add as many notes as needed to clarify task details. Use the top summary to get an at-a-glance view of total tasks and tasks by status. Then use the charts to quickly view workload by status, priority, and assignee. The Feed Preview tab shows a visual preview of your upcoming posts so you can see how your content looks together. Select a platform at the top right to filter your feed. Set the Show Feed up to this date to filter by a certain time period. You use this view to check visual balance, branding, and content variety, and also to spot gaps, repeats, or inconsistencies before publishing. The 30-day Preview tab gives you a visual, day-by-day plan of your content for the next 30 days. Start by selecting your start date at the top. This sets the full 30-day view. Review each day's posts, including time, pillar, format, and platforms. Scan the layout to ensure a good mix of content types and posting frequency. The Content Timeline tab provides a timeline view of your scheduled content so you can see when everything is happening at a glance. Start by selecting your timeline start date on the left. Use the filters to narrow by pillar, format, goal, platform, or status. Use this view to balance your posting schedule and to avoid content gaps or clustering. The Calendar tab displays your scheduled posts in a monthly calendar format for easy planning and visibility. Start by selecting your year, month, and start date on the left. Use the filters to view posts by pillar, platform, or status. Review each day to see scheduled posts with their time, type, and status. Click on a post link to go back to the scheduler if you want to edit this specific post. Use this view to ensure consistent posting and balanced content throughout the month. The Performance tab tracks and compares your social media performance across platforms so you can measure growth and progress toward your goals. Start by choosing the platforms you want to focus on. Click into the cell with the platform name to choose which platforms appear and control the order that they are shown. When you choose a platform, the icon automatically appears to the left. Then enter your monthly metrics and goals for likes, followers, and visits. Check the trend and growth columns to quickly see what's improving and what needs attention. Add notes to track what's working and why so you can refine your strategy. Review the top charts to compare growth trends and performances versus targets, and filter these charts by platform. The Ultimate Social Media Planner is an all-in-one system that helps you plan, create, schedule, visualize, and track your content, brand, and performance across every platform, so you stay organized, consistent, and growing. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you can find the shop link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for things to cover, reach out on Etsy and let me know. If you found this video to be helpful to you, also let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want to be notified when more videos like this come out, hit subscribe. Cheers and have a great day.